Thank you for choosing Blade for your restoration business. In this video, we'll explore the Reports tool. Let's get started. To access Reports, click the Reports icon in the upper right corner of the main Blade menu. A couple of things to remember. First, you need to pick a report using the drop-down at the top left of the Report tool. Then pick a report format. Reports are either PDF or CSV files. All reports are downloaded to your local PC. In this example, I have access to 7 companies within my Blade account. You'll see your own list of accessible companies in this area. You'll need to select at least one company to include in the report. The date range dropdown lets you choose common periods like last 30, 60, or 90 days. Some reports also allow custom date ranges, so you can define a specific starting point. When you pick a starting point, the date range of the report is between the starting point and today. Finally, Blade often refers to the carrier and the client. The client is the property owner. Let's review the current list of reports. The Late Jobs Report is an invoice aging report. This report lists all jobs with unpaid invoices that are outstanding more than the selected number of days. The date of invoice is the first date any invoice was sent to either the carrier, client, or vendor for any particular job. The report displays actionable data grouped by company, assigned user, and job status. Use this report to stay on top of overdue invoices and prevent cash flow slowdowns. The Invoice Variance Report shows the difference between the amount initially invoiced and the amount received for fully paid and finalized invoices. The variance is displayed in total dollar amounts and as a percentage. This report reveals the impact of your billing practices. It also highlights the relative negotiating strength of your billing team. The Days to Check Received report shows the total number of days between the date the first invoice was sent to the carrier, client, or vendor and the date the final settled payment amount was received. The date range sets the time interval. For example, if the date range is 90 days, the report will print all job invoices fully paid in the past 90 days. The displayed data is grouped by company. This report is a valuable tool for evaluating how your collection process is performing. The Accounts Receivable Report is a comprehensive and detailed AR report. It shows amounts invoiced, paid, and due from the carrier and client. The report displays a progress note, making it an ideal management report. For reference, this progress note is found in the Job Parameters section of the project. Report data is grouped by company and job status, so you can easily see receivables in each major step of the job lifecycle. The job status queue, called Payment Issued by Carrier, lists all jobs invoiced with a carrier, where the carrier has issued a payment to either the contractor or the property owner. Payments issued by the carrier to the contractor are payments on the way to your business. Use this report for detailed AR reviews and monthly financial planning. The Payments Received report provides detailed information about final settled payment amounts received within the selected date range. This report displays cities where work was performed and tax amounts recovered, making it an ideal report to help you file statutory jurisdictional tax reports. Report data is grouped by company, city, and by the month when the full final payment was received. The Job Status Log report provides detailed information about how long jobs stay in various job status queues. In the Jobs to Include section, select between all active jobs and jobs moved from job site to billing queues. Selecting the latter will give you detailed information about how long your jobs are in process at the job site before they are marked as ready for billing. The report provides a detailed list for each job showing the dates of transfer in and out of job status queues. This report gives you a summary view of the average number of days your jobs are parked in various job life cycle stages. Read more about job status queues below this video in the Support Center's Reports module. The Asset Usage Report shows you a list of equipment currently installed in the field. Use this report to confirm the location of your equipment inventory for asset management and security purposes. Report data is grouped by company. This report is best output as a CSV file for easy spreadsheet sorting. The sales report gives you data about the source and resolution of all sales leads. Filter the report by lead type and specific lead source to analyze your referral network or advertising ROI. The report is downloaded to your PC as either a CSV file or PDF file. Report data is grouped by company. This report is useful to help you track the effectiveness of your marketing efforts, the effectiveness of your sales team, the number of leads, and the conversion rate from all lead sources. Let me suggest a few smart ways to use Blade Reports. Review the Late Jobs Report weekly to stay on top of collections. Run the Asset Usage Report at least weekly. Run the Invoice Variance and Days to Check Receive reports monthly to evaluate settlement and collections performance. Use the Sales Report each month to track which sales sources are converting and which ones aren't. Review the Job Status Log Report monthly to spot process delays and potential cash flow bottlenecks. Run the Payments Received Report at tax time to confirm taxable revenue. And lastly, review the Accounts Receivable Report frequently to stay on top of your cash flow and for regular financial planning. Okay, that's a quick overview of Blade Reports. Explore other training modules in the Support Center to get the most from Blade, the software that helps you maximize profit and quickly turn your hard work into cash.